Okay, so now I'm at the stage of putting the lights in the sign. I made a little notch in the PVC for the cord to come out through, so that just fits in there, and then the back can go on over it. I drilled the holes about the same size as the bulbs, so you can see if I can get around my hands. You just push the bulbs down in, and they stick, because the bulbs and the holes are almost the same size. You just bend the wires one way or the other, and away you go. And I got that many to go. There's 200 lights in the set, and I got 198 holes. So it's a real easy process. Okay, so all the wiring is done, and the next step is just put the back on it. And here's the final result. Looks pretty good, I think. You can definitely see it looks like a skull. Here it is in comparison to an earlier one. I think it'll fit in good with our little graveyard. So that's turned out to be 199 lights in that one, so I almost used the entire set. Looks pretty good. Spooky for Halloween. Now a few final touches I got to do. I got to fill in all these old holes and screw holes. I'm going to put caulking over it so it looks something like that. You can see it looks kind of dirty, but that's okay. Headstones don't have to look pristine. If you look at the back, let's have a look at the back here. I'm using whitehead screws so they really blend in. And it's buttoned down good. So this thing is tough and light, and will take the weather. This one's been out there now for 3 or 4 years and not a problem. I just need to wipe some dirt off, and a bit of mud gets on it from rain. These things will last a long time. So hope you enjoyed this. Cheers.